inform all of you, our Padma Vibhushan Dr. Manmohan Singh is no more. It was a very great, important occasion that we all are trying to celebrate. We had organized an important event in the history of Belagavi and the Congress Party. This was a moment which would create a history remembering Gandhiji and his contribution to this nation. Today, all of you know that we have lost our great leader, the former Prime Minister, the former ACC President, economist, who have been served this country, gave a lot of strength into all sections of the society, is no more. We had organized Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan rally tomorrow. And now all my leaders, three important leaders, my General Secretary, our ACC President, Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Rahul ji, and ACC General Secretary, Organization Venugopal. Three of them just left to Delhi immediately on a special aircraft. And we are trying to arrange for all other MPs also, because all the senior leaders are here. Almost more than 500 leaders across the nation have come here. So we are trying to make them arrangements tomorrow morning. In the midnight, we can't make any arrangements to them. But I am appealing to all my leaders who are here, are doing their protocol duty and serving them, who have to take care of them till they leave the city. So the program which has been organized tomorrow stand cancelled in the honor of our great leader at 10:30. All of us who are here, I request all of them to join us. We will have to do our prayers and the morning in the CPN grounds. I appeal to all the leaders of Belagavi and who have been here in Belagavi to participate in the morning program.
Sir, government
has already declared a 7-day morning, and tomorrow will be the holiday to be declared. Myself and my Chief Minister and all my colleagues, many of us are colleagues, we are leaving to Delhi and to participate in that final funeral of our leader.